a phone call. So we said Reish Lakish said that he's saying that the cow is saying Psalm 98. Rav Eliezer Amar Hashem Malach Yirkzu Amen. Rav Eliezer said it was Psalm 93. Rav Shmuel bar Nachmani Amar Hashem Malach goes Lavesh. Oh no, I'm sorry. Rav Eliezer said that they saying Hashem Malach Yirkzu Amen, which is Psalm 99. Rav Shmuel bar Nachmani said it was Psalm 93. Hashem Malach gives Lavesh. Rav Yitzchak Nafcha Amar Roini Hashita Snaif Roiv Hadarech Hamachukekes Brik Mezahav Hamulala Bedvir Armon Fayara Bade Doim. Whereas the Rabbi Yitzchak Nafcha said that they say their own song, where it says this is a song they made up, was not from scripture. It says, "Sing, O Acacia wood, be exalted in your profound beauty, you who are guarded with golden trappings, who are glorified through the book of the palace, and adorned with crowns of crowns." And there's different explanations what this means. The Zayda the Maharal says that they didn't actually sing anything, but the fact that they were going home was considered a song. Doesn't mean that they literally sang. Heilige Zayda the Maharal in Prague. Schusi Galenu. If Ashi Masne Lo Lahad Rabbi Yitzchak Aha Vayibin Sararin V'Yamar Moshe Kuma Hashem Yisrael Mayamar Amar Rabbi Yitzchak Roni Ashita. Rav Ashi said that Rabbi Yitzchak Nafcha said that when the Torah says, what we say when we take out the Torah, but actually when they carried the ark, it says when the ark would journey, it would say, Kuma Hashem, arise, O Lord, let your foes be scattered. So at that time, the Jews would actually say this song that the cows sang. Amar Rav said, Kiman Karo Persoy L'Sifra Devere. Where do we learn that Persians call a book by the word Devere? We have this here. Mehach V'Shem Devere L'Fanim Kiryas Sefer. That the name of the city Devere used to be called Kiryas Sefer, which means the village of the book. Rav Ashi, Amar Rav Ashi, Kman Karo Persai Lanida Dashtana. Again, some things about the Persian language. Why do we know that the Persians call a woman who's menstruating Dashtana Mehachi Kiderch Nashimli? Because it says that Rachel said to her father, "The way of the woman is upon me." So derech nashim dashtana. All right. So then we'll continue tomorrow. I don't know when we're going to have time, but it's a very interesting Gemara tomorrow about the sun standing still for Joshua and everything. And we'll talk about that later. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like and subscribe and comment. All the best.